Hey, and welcome to another video. By the title of today's video, you can see that I'm going to be doing an isolation mail time. So I've been collecting my parcels over the past 2 weeks to put together this mini haul for you. I have quite a few other parcels to come, but they haven't arrived yet, so we're just going to make do with what I've received already. As I mentioned, this haul is going to be a random assortment of items. I've ordered a few things for the kitchen, something for Ruby, something for myself, a present. Something that I've never had before is a proper skincare routine. So that's something else that you'll see in this video. Before we get any further into this video, I just wanted to say hi, my name is Bianca. Typically I do lifestyle type videos sharing my personal life and things that I find interesting. So if that's something that you want to find more about, please hit that subscribe button or check out my other videos. But I don't want to make this intro any longer than it has to be, so let's get on with the video. I know that there's a few more parcels on the way, but really, during isolation, are the parcels ever gonna stop? I've put everything in this massive box. Okay, so I've got all the items here on the floor and I'm just gonna go through them, probably in the order that I received them. I haven't done too much clothes shopping during this isolation just because I haven't really been going out anywhere. So, the first one that I've got is coffee pods. Now, with Nathan and I both working at home, we have gone through so many coffee pods, and I noticed that Nespresso, or on the Nespresso website, when you log in at first, it comes up with a warning, there's high demand at the moment, your order may be delayed. However, they did extremely well and I got this package really fast. So I only ordered 2 sticks. I actually shared the order with my parents and my sister, but I ordered 20 coffee pods just because I was able to pick some up from the supermarket. However, you can only get these flavors online. I got the Ristretto, which they've actually just recently renamed. So on Nespresso packets, they have a rating system. For example, Ristretto has to be one of my favorite flavors and it's a 10. So I just continually buy this one on a regular basis. So I had to stock up on some of those. And I got a new range of barista creations. Whenever I put in an espresso order, I tend to try and get one of their limited releases. So for example, this barista creations one. So I'm not too sure if you guys have an espresso machine, but it's something that I use quite frequently. And so if you are looking for an easy coffee machine, both to maintain and to make coffee, I'd highly recommend an espresso or a machine that takes pods. Then we'll go into something else that I buy on quite a regular basis, and that's treats for Ruby. They're called greenies. She gets the teeny size because it's for dogs between 5 and 15 pounds or 2 to 7 kilos. And this is a value pack, so there's 130 in here, so it should last us quite a while. You can give them to your dog every day. I tend not to, just because she has other treats and obviously she has her normal food. But these ones are just dental sticks. So they don't necessarily give her good breath, but they do, I guess, the job of a toothbrush. So yes, these are a necessity. Okay, so the next thing that I got were some kitchen items. They are very basic and essential kitchen items. They're just things that I didn't have or I needed a replacement for. Let me just give you some context. I went onto the KMART website because I wanted to get some things to organize my pantry. However, everything is sold out. I think the entire of Australia is currently organizing their pantry. Whilst I didn't get what I intended to get, I was able to get some other things that I did need. If you are looking for any kitchen essentials, I would highly recommend KMART because they are really affordable. But I'll quickly take you through them. I got a big whisk. So the story behind this one and why I needed a whisk was I actually just used my KitchenAid attachment, but I thought it was time to finally get a proper whisk and not use my attachment. So that's that one. And then of course this is completely unnecessary, but I thought it was adorable, so we got a baby whisk to match. I actually do like the baby whisk, like if you're just cooking some eggs or for example your dry ingredients to mix. As ridiculous as it is kind of very practical to have a mini whisk. The next item that I got is an ice cream scoop. This is definitely not necessary or essential at all. You can just use a normal spoon, but I thought it was really cute and it's pink and I didn't have one, so I added that into the order. I think this is my favorite kitchen item, but one of mine recently broke. I don't know if this happens to you, but it happens to pretty much all of my spatulas. This part actually ends up detaching from the handle, or water gets up in there and it just doesn't seem very hygienic, so I replace my spatulas quite often. So which is why I got this one, and of course it's pink like the the other items. And then the final item is some kitchen tongs. Now, of course, I probably just picked these because they were pink and matched the other items. But basically, I really like the size of these tongs and the fact that they have plastic grips. So my other tongs in this size are metal, and sometimes they're not the best for more delicate food items such as salad, potato salad. So that's the end of my Kmart haul. Unfortunately, I didn't get the items that I actually intended to buy. So I'm just after a few containers and boxes just to organize my pantry. But once I finally do get my hands on those, I would love to do and organize my kitchen with me. Anyway, that's a bit of a rant. I'm gonna move on to the next item, and this one I'm extremely excited about. I'm surprised all the skincare stuff wasn't out of stock as well, because everyone seems to be improving their skincare routine during this time. So I have been binge watching all of Hiram's skincare routine videos. So with that, I was inspired to fix up my skincare routine because it didn't actually really exist. I was able to pick up 3 products from The Ordinary. Now, the one product that I really did want, you've probably all seen it on TikTok or on other skincare routine videos, but it's this red solution that you drop on and it looks like blood. Maybe if I can find a TikTok or something, I can show you, or I can insert a picture of the product here. But basically, it's a chemical exfoliant that's supposed to like just bulldoze your skin. But I found out you can't even buy it in Australia. For now, I was only able to get 3 products from The Ordinary. So the first one that I got is a glycolic acid 7% toning solution. Now, I picked up this one because I wanted a chemical exfoliant, which is the glycolic acid, in a toning solution, just because I thought that would be easier to include into my skincare routine. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's why I picked up this one. The next item that I did pick up was niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. Now, I am someone that did struggle with acne previously. I was on medication for it, and now it has cleared up, but I have quite a few red marks and spots, and I guess I would just like to clear up any redness or marks and things like that that I do have. So I'm extremely excited to start niacinamide. I didn't know a product like this existed, so I'm super grateful for Hiram for letting me know about this amazing ingredient. And then the last product that I got from The Ordinary is the Buffet. Now, I was really confused as to which moisturizing or anti-aging kind of ingredient to pick, so I picked the Buffet. Got a few ingredients in there, but the reason why I picked up the Buffet is because it targets hydration, fine lines, wrinkles, and texture as well. I wanted a product with hyaluronic acid in it because it provides moisture to the skin, and now we are going into winter, so that's why I picked up this one. Okay, so I'm also excited about this next item. I got the NIV Beautiful Word Coloring Bible. Now, I've never ever had a journal Bible. I'll quickly show you a few pages that I've already started coloring because Milena, I don't know how to pronounce her name, I feel horrible, but basically she released a 7-day study of the Book of Ruth. So I've already opened this Bible and already started coloring in the Book of Ruth just because I've been following her devotional plan. What I love about this Bible is that the scripture isn't divided into 2 columns. It is just all on one page, which makes it really easy to read and really easy to journal on the side. So now we're coming up to the final product that I have for this isolation mail time. So I put in a Cotton On order. Now, this order wasn't meant for myself at all. This was actually for a birthday present. So I'll quickly show you what I got. I actually need to add to the present. I'm just not too sure what I want to add yet. Okay, so for my niece, I was able to pick up this super cute Minnie the Mouse jumper. I thought it would be perfect as we're currently moving into winter. Now, to this order, I added something that probably isn't essential or isn't necessary at all. I just thought was super cute. Now, it is supposed to be for Easter, but it was too adorable and it was $2. So how can you go past $2? It's this little tote bag and it says hop along, and it's stormtroopers. It's Easter stormtroopers. I'm probably way too excited. You can tell that I'm a bit of a Star Wars fan. As I mentioned, I didn't really buy any clothing items, or I haven't bought too many clothing items just because I haven't been going out and there's really no point. But I thought I would purchase a long sleeve shirt. So I'll quickly show you. This top, as I mentioned, came from Cotton On. This shirt is called the Winnie Waffle Scoop Henley long sleeve top, and it's in the color Silver Marl, and I got it in the size small. It has really cute buttons here, and I think they open. Yeah, they open. So I'll just quickly try this on for you. So I thought this was extremely versatile. I love this silvery gray color. It's and it's super soft, and I thought it would just be a perfect basic for around the house or even paired with jeans to go out. Okay, so that concludes this video. Thank you for watching my isolation mail time and all the things that I've been purchasing while at home. I hope you enjoyed this small haul of random items that I've collected. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can keep up to date with any other videos that I've been posting. I would love to know what kind of items you've been buying online, so please leave a comment down below. And that's all for today, so bye guys.